Alright guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we are going to learn about the Niji mode in the MidJourney, and we are going to also see that what is Niji mode and how you can Nijify your existing images in the MidJourney. So without a further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, let's understand what is Niji mode. Niji mode is a new feature that is added to the MidJourney by a team of MIT experts who created their own application. It is called the Niji Journey. It is for creating anime style or manga style characters and the artworks by using the AI. Later, they implemented their tool in the MidJourney, and now both of them, the Niji Journey and the MidJourney, are combined together, and you get a mode of Niji mode in the MidJourney to create the anime or manga style of artworks. So let's see that how we can get into it. Here we are on our Discord server, and this is our MidJourney bot. So as already known, there are two different methods to enable the Niji mode. Either you can use the Niji parameter by writing --Niji, or you can go to the settings and enable the Niji mode as a default for creating your artworks. So in this video, we are going to just enable the Niji mode through settings because we want to create several different style of artworks of amazing anime kind of artwork by using the Niji mode. Here we are in the settings, and you just have to click on this little rainbow icon and your Niji mode is now successfully enabled. Now whatever you are writing here, they are going to create an anime kind of artwork for it. So let's see the example of our very first prompt. Here we are going to write, imagine a cute cat woman. So one thing that I recommend you while using Niji mode, make sure that you only give the prompts to the concept that are familiar to the manga world and that are common in the anime culture. If you give some really out of the world concepts, like if you want to give some real world concept, you can also give them, but it works best with the concepts and the objects that already it has the data. It means, as you know, AI models are trained based on specific data, and this specific Niji mode is trained on the lot of data of the anime and the manga culture or manga styles. And if you try to give some of the concepts of manga or the anime, it will produce you some amazing art results. But sometimes it fails to create that kind of effect, because if you try real world scenario like nature or landscape, then it is not too much good in creating such kind of artworks. So here we can see our result is right now in front of us, and we have created amazing anime kind of cat woman. All the styles of them are just similar to the anime that you can see anywhere on your TV channels or on the web. So this is an amazing way to create these anime forms. And now let's try out one more prompt. So here, this time what we have done is, currently, as you know, our MidJourney 4 is by default. So what we will do is we will select the MidJourney version 5 from the settings, and then we will try the same prompt and see what is different in the Niji mode in MidJourney version 4 and version 5. So we will repeat the same prompt again and imagine paste. This time what is going to happen is, here you can see we have the parameter of the model version, which is --v5, because we have set the version 5 of MidJourney as a default. Now let's wait for the results and see what kind of amazing anime styles it is going to produce us. And we are also going to see that what is the real difference between the MidJourney version 4 and 5, specifically in the Niji mode. Alright, so until it is creating this prompt for us, let's try out creating some more different unique art concepts by using the Niji mode. So now we are going to try the pop art anime style. Pop art is an art movement that emerged in the 1950s and reached its peaks in 1960s. It is characterized by its use of popular culture and everyday objects as a subject matter of the artworks. So let's create some amazing concept in the pop art. So for that, what we will do is we will give another prompt. But for now, let's select MidJourney version 4, because till now our previous prompt was not executed. So it means that version 5 is taking a lot of time with the Niji mode. Let's give a prompt. Here we will write imagine, and then we will write epic fight of gigantic robot and little girl in pop art style. Alright, so this is our prompt where we have given it an epic fight scene of a huge gigantic robot and little girl in the style of pop art, and see how it will create different artworks for us. Similarly, if we want, we can also find the list of some of the amazing artists of the anime styles and the manga artworks, and then we can use their styles in the MidJourney. So for example, let's take this cat woman prompt. So we have a cute cat woman prompt, and then we will write the name of the anime artist, which is by Asaf Hanuka, Asafhanuka. Hit your enter key. Okay, until this result is happening, let's take a look at it. So this is the example of our pop art where we can see entire theme of pop art is now replicated, and MidJourney has created some amazing pop art anime styles for us, where we have the scene of a robot which is fighting with a little girl, and it is as good as that kind of artwork. So this is how powerful the MidJourney is in creating anime kind of styles, and it's just a single example. If you want, you can use literally every kind of anime artist. You can use their name if they are popular, and then MidJourney will help you to produce their artistic style. So this is the pop art, and if we want, we can also try the cute little cat woman in this kind of effect. What we have to do is just add a pop art style while using the Niji mode. And now, as you know, our MidJourney version 5 results is produced, and this is the difference between the same prompt in the Niji mode that we have created, but this time we have created with the MidJourney 5. So you can see clearly that MidJourney 5 help you to create the artworks to the next level. Here we have really amazing detailing and the smoothness of the anime character. The background is perfectly blue in this case, and the first two are really high quality ones. The later two are also good, but if we take a look at the fourth one, we can see these are just old style kind of thing, and we have some kind of blurry features on them. So it is totally on you that which style do you prefer. Based on your different projects and needs and specific requirement, you can either go with the MidJourney version 5 and the MidJourney version 4 in the Niji mode. So these are the differences, and we have also seen the pop art style. And here we have our next prompt result, which is a cute cat woman by Asaf Hanuka. So here we can see this is the artistic style of that particular artist who creates art, and the same prompt we have tried in multiple formats, and every time it will provide you different results. Similarly, let's also take few more examples of creating amazing Niji artwork. So here we will write our next prompt as imagine narrow escape by, and we will write the name of artist, which is Aaron Jasinski, Jasinski. So Aaron is also one of the popular artists among the anime culture, and this time we have given that create us a scene of a narrow escape by this specific artist. But here we have forgot to mention the Niji mode. So let's see that how the Niji mode differs from the artistic styles. In this prompt, we forgot to use or include the Niji mode, and we have just given the prompt. Now let's quickly write a new prompt, and this time we will just copy the same prompt, and we will also mention the Niji mode here. So copy imagine and dash Niji, and then we will see, is there really a difference between copying the artistic style and copying the artistic style in the Niji mode. We will see the difference once both of the results will be in front of us. Alright, so now we can see both of the results are produced successfully nice, and this is the narrow escape by Aaron, and this is the Niji style, where if we see these are some kind of cyberpunk themed anime kind of style. And on the other hand, if we take a look at the results of our first prompt, which is narrow escape by Aaron Jasinski, then here we have the cartoonistic style. But in this example, you can see the detailings are just cartoonistic and more of a cartoon style as compared to the anime. On the other hand, if we open this thing up, which is in the Niji mode and the artist style, this looks more kind of a game kind of thing. So it depends on image to image and prompt to prompt that which will produce the better results for you. Now let's try one more prompt. Here we will write imagine, and we will write artificial intelligence by, and then we will specify the name of one more popular artist, which is Abigail Latson. So we'll write ABIGAIL LATSON. So let's see what kind of results we are going to get. Till it is producing the result, what we can do is we can just repeat the same prompt of narrow escape, and this time we are going to use the pop art effect. So we will just copy this entire thing right here, and let's write imagine, and we forgot to write the Niji parameters, so write Niji. So let's see how the results varies prompt to prompt. So in this case, we have written the artificial intelligence in the style of Abigail Latson, but we forgot to mention the Niji mode. Now let's give the same prompt but this time in the Niji mode. So we'll write imagine dash dash Niji and wait for it. Alright, so here if we take a look at this result, here we have the prompt of Narrow Escape by Aaron Janiski. And here we can see this is the perfect anime style that it has created. It created 4 different cases where somebody is escaping from something as per our prompt. But the main thing to note here is it is necessary to mention the name of the artist, and you have to also mention the Niji parameter with dash dash Niji, or make sure that it is enabled from your settings. These are must if you want to get this kind of amazing anime artworks. Otherwise, if you just specify the name of the artist and forget to specify the Niji mode, then it will create another kind of artwork that may not look as the anime styles. Similarly, here we have the results of artificial intelligence with Abelga Letson, and these are the previous results where we can clearly see we forgot to mention the Niji mode and it created the photorealistic kind of effect with humanoid robot, and it is lacking the anime feel to it. But in our newer prompt, once we specified the same prompt and added the Niji keyword, here we can see these effects are more anime style or the manga style, but they have also realistic styles to them like cyberpunk theme. If we want, we can use the no parameter to remove photorealistic or any kind of effects from these images. But this is how basically you can try out using Niji mode with different objects in order to create these kind of amazing characters in the MidJourney. If you have any sort of doubt and question, then please do ask. That's all for this video. I hope you understand how you can use the power of MidJourney Niji mode in order to create some amazing anime styles in the MidJourney application. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.